Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 Toys Review here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out the new Mercedes-AMG SL63 number 67 out of 100 from basically all Matchboxes released in this year. And yeah, this is Mercedes-AMG SL63, and yeah, let's go ahead and open this one up. So just want to mention that this is actually a new casting for 2023, and it's quite a fan favorite, to be honest, including me. I do quite like this casting as well, and you know me, when it comes to cars like these, well, something that kind of reminds me of the AMG GT, or maybe kind of looks like it, I am highly a fan of it, and this is one of the examples. And judging by this, considering that they've just announced the release of the actual real-life Mercedes-AMG GT for 2024, I was quite happy, and it did hold the title AMG GT 63. Now, what it relates to this, as this is the SL63, so yes, it does have interrelation with it, so I'm quite a fan of this car as well. Now, judging by this, yeah, you might be wondering, this is more to a soft top model, which I'm not complaining. I wish they did a hard top. I would like to see them do a hard top, but then they've made a soft top version, which yeah, quite a bummer. But still, it does maintain that AMG look, that AMG GT look. It does have that long hood, it does have the curvature of the rear, and overall it does still maintain the shape of it, just that the differences are the rear lights and also the headlights. Now let's go ahead and take a look more in depth of this car. Now, yes, the first color for this car is in dark blue, and I would like to mention that dark blue honestly looks pretty great. Now judging by the side, yeah, it kind of reminds you of any Mercedes without a roof, obviously. And it kind of reminds me more to the AMG GT soft top as well. So looking from the side, it looks pretty nice. I love the dark blue that they've used on this one. I thought it was the sparkly dark blue, but it's just a normal plain dark blue, which is pretty cool. Now, the thing that people love the most is that they've introduced the new set of rims mainly for this car. So as you can see on the rims right here, these are actually new rims, newly introduced rims for this specific model, which honestly looks fantastic. I don't know what they normally call these rims, I'm not entirely sure, but they look incredible. Not gonna lie, they really suit the car very well. Judging by the car's picture as well, they do include these type of rims, so I'm happy that they've actually mocked it and basically did something like that in 1/64 scale, so they wouldn't look odd with any regular 5-spokes or 6-spokes, which yeah, look pretty nice. And yeah, overall the side, like the side profile, very nice. I do really like it. Thumbs up for me. Moving on to the front, yeah, that looks pretty nice as well. The front, you do have the headlights, you do have the Mercedes logo with the front big grille, and yeah, basically you have the front bumper as well, which is consists of a bit of plastic from the base. And yeah, overall the front reminds me of the AMG GT 63 4-door, which to be honest, the 4-door is okay, but then I still suggest the AMG GT more, but then it already follows the shape of it, so I don't really mind. It's still pretty nice, and I do really like it. It has its signature front hood from the AMG GT, followed up by this car, which is pretty nice. And you have the windshield, which is plastic, you can tell, just a windshield, which honestly pretty nice, and not really tinted, but still at least it's more to transparent. At least it's pretty cool, not gonna lie. Here is the other side, and let's focus on the rims again, just for you guys to see the new set of rims. And I hope that they actually use more of these rims in the future, maybe add more color to it, maybe make it more to that silver type of color. Who knows, but still it will look nice. Forgot to mention the interior. The whole interior is in sort of like this matte plastic gray, I believe, sort of. The seats are the same color, the rear seats are the same color as well, and yeah, even the whole dash is the same color. And I believe it's a 4-door, similar to that new AMG GT 63. It does have that 4-door look, so I mean, it's a 4-seater, sorry, not a 4-door. It's a 4-seater that yeah, like I said, it consists of 4 doors, which 4 seats, sorry, 4 seats, which yeah, for a car like this, yeah, it's gonna be tight at the back. Still, overall, love the attention to detail for the interior, pretty nice. Moving on to the rear of the car, the newer rear lights for this model, it looks pretty good. I do really like it. You have the red and white accents for the rear lights. It says AMG right there, Mercedes logo, and SL63. And moving on to the license plate, you have your signature AMG logo as the license plate, and you have some exhaust tips, 2 on the side, each side, and you have a diffuser, surprisingly, which is expected to see for this car. And moving on to the base, black base, as you can tell, Mercedes-AMG SL63, 2022 Mattel, and made in Thailand. Overall, I would say for a casting like this, quite remarkable. Love to see this casting being used in Matchbox. It's a total suitable car for Matchbox theme, as it's more to an exotic convertible, I would say. Even though Hot Wheels also does these type of cars, but then I would think that Matchbox does it very well with these type of castings, to be honest. Even though Hot Wheels has done the AMG GT, Matchbox has done it with the AMG 4-door and this new AMG SL63, which is totally awesome, and I will continue to support that, even though yeah, Hot Wheels is trying to step up his game by doing a few more AMG GTs sooner or later, and I believe more AMG GT3s maybe in the future. But yeah, you might never know. But yeah, overall, quite a nice casting. It is quite a nice car to see, and I do hope to see more of this, maybe in different variants of colors, such as yellow, maybe gray or silver, white. It would be pretty nice. But yeah, dark blue, looking very good. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.